I will stop making videos on this channel. So today is in fact the last video on this channel, but the updates on the website will continue. So make sure you register, sign up, and you get access to all of these updates going forward. Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Yeah, today we want to take a look at a very popular cryptocurrencies chart, the SUI chart, because there's a 1-2 setup on this chart, and that could be something very, very interesting for some of you. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, we're on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. If you're interested in receiving additional updates, make sure to register on our website, because then you can access all of these updates for cryptocurrencies, tech stocks, US stocks, and also the S&P 500. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to follow us on our new Instagram channel, The Market Intel. You can also find the link in the description. Now, today we click on the cryptocurrencies channel and we click on the SUI chart. Yeah, and first of all, I think we'll take a look at the bigger picture here. You can see straight away that with a probability of 70%, the idea is that the price is bottomed there in a wave 2, that we're going higher, and $5.36 is critical resistance that needs to be broken to the upside to actually then unlock prices in the possibly even $10 region. I mean, remember here, a third wave is typically the most aggressive trend or structure or wave in a 5-wave pattern. So we could expect quite an aggressive move to the upside if this really follows through. So $5.36 probabilities of an upside breakout are currently determined at 70%. Yeah? It's important that we hold obviously above the April low and the June low to keep this potential alive. Now, looking at the shorter time frame, this is where it's getting really interesting then. On the shorter time frame, you can see here that between 276 and 337, we have this support area, trading area. This is because we can identify another micro 5-wave move to the upside, potentially in wave 1 of a larger third wave. This pullback could indeed be the wave 2, so the corrective pullback in the larger uptrend. Just showed you that there could be a larger third wave unfolding, but that third wave should itself be a 5-wave move. So whenever we have a so-called 1-2 setup, we obviously try to highlight it here. We mention it, we talk about it. And in this scenario, the price has actually formed a potential 5-wave move up, topped here at 444 and has now started a pullback. And as long as we're holding above that $2.76 level, the overall trend can remain up. Now, obviously below that level, it becomes less probable that the price has indeed started that uptrend. And then if the price breaks below that red line, this is our formal invalidation point. But basically what we would like to see now is a bit more of a, let's say, substantial pullback, a deeper pullback, a price reach this green zone, then a reaction from there should eventually occur, ideally an impulsive upside reaction, which should then take the price above the $4.44 level. This is then when we have all confirmation levels or confirmations really that Elliott wave can give us that this wave 2 has bottomed and we are on our way in a third wave of a third wave of an even larger third wave. So that is quite a bullish structure and quite a bullish outlook. Obviously, the condition is that the parameters that we present here as critical support levels are actually holding. So overall, yeah, it's quite a bullish outlook on the SUI chart as well as in the short term as also on the larger time frame chart. Now, in the very short term, as explained, there could be a pullback, but remember that pullbacks are also not unfolding in a straight line. A corrective structure, like in this case a wave 2, should be a 3-wave move. So we have the initial move down, then there should be a lower high ideally in the next move to the upside, and then a lower low that can send us into this trading area. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on our website. You will still get additional updates, even though, as I said in the last few videos already, I will stop making videos on this channel. So today is in fact the last video on this channel, but the updates on the website will continue. So make sure you register, sign up, and you get access to all of these updates going forward. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.